Hi everybody, Slivers and Swearing here. What we're going to do is a simple bandsaw box. We're going to be using a 3/16 inch 10 TPI blade on a 14-inch bandsaw.
Okay, so first is the circle. Cut out the perimeter first. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, once we have that, get rid of your waste, keep your space clean, and then we're going to move on to the back. I already know what level I want this set at, so I'm going to do that right now. My height is right, and off we go. This zebra wood is awfully tough. Okay. There's our back. Back, labeled as back. Okay. Then we're gonna do the inside. Go with the grain to hide your cuts. This one you gotta do freehand. I use it on graph paper so I know which line to cut. Let the blade do the work, don't push it. And start your turn. Sort of like turning the wood and letting it cut all at the same time. Always trying to remember where my fingers are, how far away they are. Okay, well, it looks like we're going a bit wide, that's alright. Template's only a suggestion for me anyway. It's just so I don't screw it up. And as you'll notice, the bottom squares and the top squares is actually two squares, so the saw knows better than I do. As we approach our first entry cut, we turn off the blade so we can extract the box without being risky. Pull this up, move the bottom part, and then get our box out. That goes over there. Reset our fence, because we know what we're doing here. And now we're gonna do, label it again, inside, back, Then you know that's the front because it's got the template on it. Now we're gonna do front, back, well, I guess front, back, and then ice cream scoop. So here we go. Okay, and then give it a pattern that looks about right. Maybe we'll bring it down a little bit further. And then ice cream scoop. Again, this is freehand, so good luck. That is how you make the basic cuts of a simple bandsaw box. Assemble it? Yeah, we can do that. Front, back. And it all goes together like complicated Lego. And then you have a jewelry box. Thanks.
Thanks, everybody. Please follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, and we are looking forward to seeing you next time.